Hi friends, I'm Rajnikant Tiwari. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Sumant Digital English Tutorial Videos. Dear friends, today I'm going to dictate questions and answers for English Class 8, Honeydew, Chapter 2, The Tsunami. In today's video lecture, I shall cover all the comprehension checks and working with the text. So let's start answering the questions from textbook. The Tsunami Comprehension Check, page number 27. Say whether the following are true or false. First, Ignatius lost his wife, 2 children, his father-in-law and his brother-in-law in the tsunami. Dear guys, it's a true statement. Second, Sanjeev made it to safety after the tsunami. Dear guys, it's a false statement. Third, Meghna was saved by a relief helicopter. It is also a false statement. Fourth, Elmas's father realized that a tsunami was going to hit the island. Dear guys, it's a true statement. Fifth, her mother and aunt were washed away with the tree that they were holding on to. Dear guys, it's also a true statement. Now comprehension check on page number 28. Answer the following in a phrase or sentence. Question 1. Why did Tilly's family come to Thailand? Its answer. Tilly's family came to Thailand to celebrate the Christmas Eve. Second, what were the warning signs that both Tilly and her mother saw? Its answer. Tilly and her mother saw that the sea slowly rose and started to foam, bubble and whirlpools. Question 3. Do you think Tilly's mother was alarmed by them? Its answer. No. Tilly's mother was not alarmed by them. Question 4. Where had Tilly seen the sea behaving in the same strange fashion? Dear guys, its answer. Tilly had seen the sea behaving in the same strange fashion in the geography class in a video. Question 5. Where did the Smith family and others on the beach go to escape from the tsunami? Its answer. They all took refuge in the 3rd floor of a hotel. Question 6. How do you think her geography teacher felt when he heard about what Tilly had done in the Phuket? Answer. Her geography teacher must be feeling proud of Tilly. Dear guys, now comprehension check on page number 30. Answer using a phrase or a sentence. Question 1. In the tsunami, 1,50,000 people died. How many animals died? Its answer, not so many animals reported to die. Question 2. How many people and animals died in Yala National Park? Its answer, 60 people and 2 water buffaloes. Question 3. What do people say about the elephants of Yala National Park? Its answer, they have seen elephants running away from the beach. Question 4. What did the dogs do in Gale? Its answer, the dogs refused to go for their daily run on the beach. Now working with the text. Question 1. When he felt the earthquake, do you think Ignatius immediately worried about a tsunami? Give reasons for your answer. Which sentence in the text tells you that the Ignatius family did not have any time to discuss and plan their course of action after the tsunami struck? Dear guys, its answer, when he felt earthquake, Ignatius was not worried about tsunami. He took his television off and placed it on the ground so that it might not fall down. He felt that it was an ordinary earthquake. His family ran out of the house. The sentence, when the tremors stopped, they saw the sea rising favors. The answer is that they did not have the time to discuss and plan further. Question 2. Which words in the list below describe Sanjeev in your opinion? Cheerful, heartless, ambitious, humorous, brash, brave, careless, heroic, selfless, humorous. I don't know if Sanjeev was cheerful, humorous or heroic. cheerful के बाद humorous or heroic. Second, I think that he was very brave, selfless, and frightened. Third, Sanjeev was not a heartless, careless, or frightened. Question 3. How are Meghna and Almasa's stories similar? Its answer. Both had lost their parents. Both had saved their lives by sitting on a wooden log and reached the shore. Question 4. What are the different ways in which Tilly's parents could have reacted to her behavior? What would you have done if you were in their place? They could have ignored her as she was just 10 years old, or they might rebuke her for screaming too much. If I would be there, I would have also taken her seriously to take some steps enough for the coming disaster. Question 5. If Tilly's award was to be shared, who do you think she should share it with, her parents or her geography teacher? Answer. She should have shared it with her geography teacher, only it was due to she could make out that it was a tsunami. Question 6. What are the two different ideas about why so few animals were killed in the tsunami? Which idea do you find more believable? Dear guys, its answer. The first idea is that the animals have sixth sense to know when the earth is going to shake. The second idea is that they have acute power of hearing and feeling about the earth's vibration. The second idea has more authentic aspect in it. Dear guys, it was all for today. Hope you must have liked this video lecture. If you have liked it, please press the like button and do subscribe my channel if you haven't till now. Thanks for watching. Bye.